What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix Windows 10 black screen with cursor. So without further ado, let's talk about the method. Method 1. Check cable connection. Here you have to check your cables are connected properly to your CPU and to your monitor. You have to make sure the VGA cable or the HDMI cable which you're using right now is in the running condition or not. Are those defective or are those working? So you have to make sure those cables are working and can be used for you to connect your monitor with it. Method 2. Restart your PC. Restarting PC helps a lot of users to fix their minor glitches, so I would recommend you to go ahead and restart your PC. Method 3. Log into different user account. Here you have to press and hold it down the control key, alt key, both of them you have to press and hold it down, then click on delete. Once you'll do that, you'll see a screen, a lock screen, where you can lock your screen. After a lock screen, you'll get an option to change the user profile. So simply change the profile, and by doing that, you can able to ensure that you're getting this problem onto your this profile or you're getting this problem on your computer all profile. Method 4. Open explorer.exe. Here you have to do a simple trick which can help you to fix this problem. Press and hold it down the control key, shift key. You have to press and hold it down the both key and press escape. ESC on the top left corner on your keyboard. Once you'll do that, you'll see task manager. Click on file, click on run new task, and here you have to type this explorer.exe. make sure you type the correct words in here, explorer.exe. check this box, click OK. If I'll just simply end the task of explorer.exe, you will see the same screen on my computer. Here you can see if I'll end the task, I'll get the same screen, task manager, the cursor and the black screen. And if I'll do that thing by selecting this option, if I'll do OK, you can see I have my normal screen. So that's how you can bring back your normal screen and black screen will go away. Method 5. Run startup repair. For to do a startup repair, do the same thing. Press Ctrl Alt Delete and lock your screen. For me, I'm gonna lock the screen here, and once you'll have a screen like this, press and hold it down the shift key on your keyboard, click on power and select restart. It's gonna show you this option. If you restart now, you and any other people using this PC, just simply click on restart anyways. It's getting ready now. It's showing me the advanced troubleshooting option. Okay, once you'll be on the screen, click on troubleshoot, click on advanced option, click on startup repair. This repair gonna take some time. As you can see, it says please wait. So let's wait for a while and let's see what other thing it gonna show up. Let me select my user profile. Let's click continue. Okay, it's diagnosing my PC. So let's see what other thing it gonna do. I'm pretty sure after running a startup repair, it gonna show up my normal screen and fix the black screen with cursor issue. You can see attempting repairs. Alright, I'm getting this thing here. System32 log file srt trial.txt. Do not worry about it because I'm getting this screen, but I ran this startup repair 3 to 5 times while I was recording and testing all those commands. So this gonna fix your problem for sure as you're running this command for the first time. Method 6. Restore with advanced troubleshooting screen. Here we have to go to the restore point and we have to restore our PC to the back date when it was working perfectly fine. For that, you have to come to the same screen, lock your screen and press and hold it down the shift key click on power key and select restart. Once you'll do that, you'll have advanced screen. Click on troubleshoot, click on advanced option. Here we have to choose an option system restore. Here you can see I do not have any restore point because I'm using a different software in which I'm running Windows 10. So that's why I never created any restore point, but on my PC I have a restore point. So here you simply have to select next and you'll see a restore points in here, and somewhere on the left bottom corner you'll see some option like show more restore point. Then you can able to see all the list of restore point. Select your restore point and make sure you select scan for the effect. If you are not getting that option, I'm not sure about that, those options come up on the advanced troubleshooting or not. Make sure you click on that button, and once you click on that button you can able to see what are the effects and what are the changes system restore gonna do on your PC. Once you'll have information, simply restore your PC to the back date. Method 7. Here you have to uninstall unwanted programs. To uninstall unwanted programs, you have to go to your safe mode with networking. To enter into safe mode with networking, click on troubleshoot, click on advanced option, startup settings, and here you can see enable safe mode. Click on restart. Once you click on restart, after that you'll get this screen. Click on enable safe mode with networking. So you have to press the key, the F5 key on your keyboard, and you'll be on safe mode with networking. As you can see, use number key or function key from F1 to F9 and press F5 and you'll be in safe mode with networking, and from there you can uninstall the program which you installed and afterward you got this problem. Let's talk about the method 8, registry editor. Click on start icon, or here you can type registry. You'll see registry editor. Click on open, click on yes, and here you have to come to our registry editor. But before you enter to the registry where you have to make changes, you have to back up your registry. Click on file, click on export, select desktop and type here backup. Once you'll do that, then you have to come to a registry. In H key local machine, afterward go into software, Microsoft. Now you have to search for Windows NT. Scroll it down, you'll see Windows NT somewhere. Here we have Windows NT, and once you'll have it, click on current version, expand the current version, and afterwards find WinLog. Let me try WinLogs. Right, once you'll have WinLog, you have to search for a name in here with the name of shell. Do a double click and make sure you have the same value in your shell, explorer.exe. If you have different value in it like 1, 0, something other thing typed in here, delete that and type explorer.exe. After typing that, click OK and simply restart your PC. After doing this, I'm pretty sure your problem will get resolved related to black screen with cursor on Windows 10. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.